my channel, Chittu. Um, Today we're gonna show you a quick update on our potatoes. We planted them 2 months ago, and the leaves are starting to dry like this one right here, which is a very good sign that they're ready to get harvested and the potatoes are ready for harvesting. So, yeah, the weather has been a little like hot and cold, so it's like in the middle of warm, and I don't know what to say for that one. So we're not expecting that much potatoes, but now let's get to it and see what we have. Let's start with our first one. We're gonna dump this stuff out. This is our first bucket. The harvesting part, it was very easy. Just have to take the plant out and then dump the mud on the ground, and you see how much potatoes you get. Let's dig into it.
So how many do you get total?
I think we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Did you check all the other remaining dirt?
No, but I'll check it out now. Oh my goodness, look at these roots. Rock looking things.
I think I saw one here.
Oh, you're a detective.
Go.
Nice. These two. Oh, look what I found. Oh, look at me. I found this little guy. I also found this little guy. Look at this one. What? I never know about here. See any else? I feel like it too. There should be more in the other buckets.
And this goes to our compost.
Compost bin. Now let's count it. Now I want to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They're 15. I
Okay.
just included this little guy.
So we'll let them dry, and then we will not wash them right now. We'll leave it in the sun for a while and then let it get dry.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you in another video. Keep you updated.